Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to make clear slime at home. So now without wasting much time, let's see that how can we make it. So now let's go. For making clear slime, take a container and add 1 cup of water in it. Now add 1 tablespoon of baking soda. Mix it well. Now take your clear glue and pour it in the bowl. Now take your contact lens solution and mix it until it looks like slime. So guys, our slime looks something like this, but it's not ready yet. So now let's move to our last step. So guys, for the last step, take a airtight container just like this and pour the slime in it. So now we have to just keep it in refrigerator for the whole day.
The next day.
So guys, it's the next day. So now open the lid of the container. So guys, our slime looks something like this and this is perfect. You can see that it's jiggly, it's soft and it's non-sticky. So that's all about today's video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. And guys, follow me on Instagram. My Instagram ID is creative_letsbe. So go and follow me there also. So till next video, bye. Wait, before bye, it's time for the shout out.